What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Today let's look at latest romKTpro 21.10.27. The ROM is based upon Android 12 MIUI and ported from POCO F3. The build is also at its alpha state. Anyway, we will be looking at what is new with this build as well as how does it performs. To begin with, let's quickly get into About Phone session. The ROM is based upon Android 12. Security patch they are using is from 5th October 2021. Version is romKTpro Android 12 Alpha, which is based upon MIUI 12.6 EU. Kernel coupled here is Genos R19, which is from OOF gang. Moving forward, under display settings there is option for dark theme switching. The option works pretty good. When comes to wallpaper and personalization, there is option for always on display. The options are available, but after applying it, I got a black screen of course. This phone is still on, but it is showing black screen. After a forced reboot, I can get everything working back. Yeah, I did try this multiple times, but result was the same. So always on display does got some bugs here. When comes to password and security session, the ROM does got screen lock, fingerprint, face unlock as well. Fingerprint and face unlock are working pretty faster here. I didn't notice any issues with either of these options here. Yes, the ROM does also got IR face unlock. Out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted. Also, SE Linux is by default permissive. When comes to special features, the ROM does got Game Turbo and Video Toolbox. As the Game Turbo is latest version, you will be able to switch in between performance mode from here. Yes, the voice changer also working pretty good. The ROM does comes out with MIUI stock cam. You can take photo as well as video without any issue. But I did notice that selecting portrait is crashing the camera. So I didn't check more options here since it was keep on crashing. There is also issues with slow motion and pano mode as well. Another two options which I have noticed with this ROM is GFX and 90 FPS enabling applications. Yes, as you see, I did open the GFX tool. You can see the memory usage as well as battery and storage capacity. It does contains many more ads than usual, which I felt as really annoying. After trying for few times, I was able to get into the option Game GFX settings. You will be able to customize few options from here: resolution, graphics, frame drops and more audio as well as video qualities. Yes, you can select according to versions. The KR as well as Indian and global versions are available here. Another option here is the 90 FPS enabling application. Enabling 90 FPS does become more easier comparing with previous builds. The application is pretty easy to use. There is three options available: KR, global as well as Indian versions. According to what version of PUBG you are using, you can select either of them and just select unlock 90 FPS. The new pop-up window will ask you to give the permission, of course. Select use this folder and OK. This will start copying necessary file to the particular folders. Yes, after that you will be able to see that the 90 FPS is enabled with your game. As like me, all the gamers are not fan of 90 FPS. But yeah, some are, yes. For them, you can easily use this application for enabling it. Moving forward, out of the box, the ROM is rooted. If you hide Magisk properly, you will be able to pass Saftynet checks. If you come to Google Play and settings, the device is also Google Play Product certified, which is something great. Now let's talk about benchmark test. I am using Antutu Bench 9 version. Yes, my device is detected as Mi10 Pro. Yeah, that is something expected. And Antutu scores 4,30,000 plus, and Geekbench scores for single core 517 and multi-core 2075, which are decent scores for Snapdragon 845. Next important thing I would like to talk here is about the temperature handling. The normal working temperature of this ROM is 40 to 48 degrees Celsius. After finishing benchmark, the phone temperature was raised up to 45.5 degrees Celsius. Yes, if you are an intense gamer, it can go more higher. So be careful about the heating issue. Since it is a alpha build, I am not adding gaming test here, as this build is not that much stable enough to recommend as a daily driver. There are bugs noticed in different sessions of ROM. Yes, if you are someone who would like to test it out, you can go ahead. Nothing is going to break your phone for sure. Anyway, I'll be waiting for stable version of this build. So that's it guys, this is all about romKTpro 21.10.27 alpha build. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here. And I'll catch you in next one.